Yelp is rolling out a number of new features to allow local businesses to reach more customers with their ads. The big update is custom location targeting, where advertisers can target specific locations for their ads. Previously, advertisers could only target a radius from their physical location, so this new update will allow advertisers to be much smarter in their targeting. The next update is the Connect Audience model, which acts similarly to Google My Business posts. This feature lets advertisers communicate with their customers and to users that have interacted with similar businesses. By increasing communication with your customers, your brand awareness will increase and ultimately the footfall to your business. Lastly, new budget recommendations are being rolled out to give advertisers suggestions on the best spend for their campaigns. The tool analyses historical campaign performance and data from similar businesses to suggest recommendations on daily spend.